Meaning of Dream Team.
Dream Team.
Dream Team.
Dream Team.
Dream Team. The term Dream Team is typically used to describe a group of individuals who have outstanding abilities and are brought together to achieve a specific goal or objective. This phrase is most commonly associated with sports teams, such as the 1992 U.S. Olympic basketball team that was composed of top NBA players. The result of assembling a dream team is often spectacular, as each member brings their unique skills and talents to the table, creating a powerful and successful team that can accomplish great things.